one seems to be a good thing. The leaders of North and South Korea have committed to the complete denuclearization of the Korean Peninsula and pledged to bring a formal end to the Korean War. Guys, 65 years after hostilities ceased. Now, tell the truth, 65 years after the big boom, 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 kaboom, 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 them still have war agwan. And now they finally decided to stop it. In a remarkable day-long summit, South Korean President Moon Jae-in and his North Korean counterpart Kim Jong-un embraced, planted a tree, and talked alone for more than 30 minutes. It was a surprising conclusion to the first meeting between the leaders of the two countries, and this meeting was the first to happen in 10 years. Yeah. It looked like Trump said, "I'm going to meet with Kim Jong." Everybody just say, all right,
so, yep,
let's just get to it and you know, let us join forces so that when we talk to this man, it's us talking and not you talking.
Exactly.
You think that's why
united.
They're coming together as a united front.
And it's good for them.
I thought something was up when I see them come as a joint group to the Olympics, you know. You remember when we see them coming look like flight attendants?
But it's good though. It's good that they can reconcile differences after 65 years.
65 years.
I mean, only person old enough like Marvin and Brown and them was around them time. Man.
Marvin look like him not wake up yet, so I don't know what to tell you about Marvin.
But it's great though, it's great. But before we go to the next topic, talking about creatives, I wanted to take a look at Sakina's wig.
Yeah.
Please. So this wig was made by her and her mom.
More mommy than me. All I did was cut the bang and curl
it. So it's the 12-inch?
12 and 14-inch Peruvian.
Yeah.
So we need to name her. We have to find a name for her. But my mama did this,
so if you're at home watching...
So big up yourself, mommy.
If you're at home watching, just send some names.
Yeah, we're looking for some names for her. So find some, we're going to name her today. So
if you need your wigs and stuff.
No. I never said my agenda one day. We just said we'll name her.
Okay.
Let's start there.
All right. On the heels of the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, high schoolers are back on the track, this time overseas for the Penn Relays. A lot of
Casey! Woo! Guess who leading?
Okay,
Woo!
Kingston College had 7 Jamaican teams advancing to Saturday's Championship of America in the boys 4x1. Following preliminary action on Friday, Homewood Technical are champions again after retaining the 4x8 of Championship of America. Edwin Allen, they defending champions 5 times in a row in the 4x1s. Hydel, they won the 4x4 for girls and continues with action this weekend. The boys will be in action, the seniors will be in action. Jamaica College, they're there in the 4x8. Immaculate finished second in the international final last year. This year, behind Rossies, who actually won. It was a great performance by the entire contingent of high school as we won the girls' high jump, we won the girls' triple jump, won the boys' discus, won the boys' shot put. Kai Chan Calabar shot discus, Rashid Dona, KC, shot put. Amara, Distin, and company. Great
Future of track and field looks good.
And I tell people this all the time. Like people keep saying, what's going to happen after Boat leave?
Boat is one person, guys. We are a country.
Support all the rising athletes.
Yeah, man. Most definitely.
Yeah,
Bugle. We will rise again.
Exactly. See?
I love it.
We will rise again.
I love it, DJ Audley. I have it, thank you.
DJ Audley say, I know a bridging. Every time I see him, I have a floss in him on. And him Audley too.
Oh dear.
So then,
what I mean? All right, guys, that's all for trending topics this morning. Don't go anywhere because we've got lots of creativity waiting for you.
Yeah, we're gonna sing.
Oh gosh.